Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Paulimi Ghosh and today my puja special recipe which I would like to share with you is Shahi Mutton Korma. For making Shahi Mutton Korma, the ingredients we need are as follows. Firstly, we need garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Then we need Kashmiri mirch 1 tablespoon. Coconut powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as per our taste. Soaked cashew nuts. Jeera powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped. 1 kg mutton. And some garam masalas. Yogurt 200 grams. So let's begin with our process. Take the yogurt in a bowl and add some turmeric powder to the yogurt. Now add the jeera powder. After that, add the Kashmiri mirch. Now mix all the ingredients well. We will be taking the soaked cashew nuts and grind it and make it a paste. After that, we would add some saffron to that paste. Now, we will be adding the coconut powder and mix it well. After that, we will take a kadhai and add some white oil to it. Make sure the oil is hot before putting the onion into it. We will be frying the onion till it is light brown or golden in color. We will take a plate and we will be adding some tissue papers to it so that when we will be taking out all the onions, the tissue paper soaks all the oil. As you can see, our fried onions are ready. Now we will be putting the fried onion in a grinder and make it a rough paste. Now we will be taking a pressure cooker and add 5 tablespoons of ghee. Then add all the garam masalas. Now, after the garam masalas are added to the ghee, we will add mutton pieces to the ghee. After that, we will mix the ghee with the mutton. Now, we will add the yogurt mixture which we made earlier. After that, we will again mix the mixture with the mutton. Then we will close the lid almost for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we will open it and add some salt to it. Now we will be adding the ginger paste. Now mix it well. After the mixing is done properly, we will again close the mutton for almost 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we will be adding the cashew paste. Now, we will be adding the garam masala powder. And again, give it a great mix. After the mixing is done, we will be adding the onion paste, fried onion paste which we made earlier. Now we will be again mixing it with the mutton. After that, we will be adding some hot water to the gravy and then close the lid and cook it for almost 10 to 20 minutes. Our mutton is ready to serve. You can have this dish with roti or rice, anything you prefer. This is our Navami special Shahi mutton korma. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Otherwise, you might miss my notifications. Till then, follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Wish you all a happy puja and be safe. Thank you.